In today's scenario, we live in an era of unprecedented hopes and the promises, where investment plays a very prominent factor in order to boost any economy. Hey everyone, this is Ankit Madan. I hope you are doing absolutely amazing. So let's get started with today's video. Now in this particular video, I'll be discussing about the recent announcement which was made by Google CEO about $10 billion investments, which is nearly around 75,000 crore rupees, which is to be made within next 4 to 5 years. Now let's figure it out what are the various parameters and the areas where this investment will be made. Now the first aspect is about affordable access to information. Basically what this area involves is that information should be available in their native language, for example in Hindi, English, Punjabi, and free access to information should be provided. The another aspect is about product and the services and empowering business specifically to MSME and leveraging technology and artificial intelligence. Since we are very much familiar with this fact that upcoming years is all about data analytics and artificial intelligence. In order to boost up any economy, basically the purpose of this investment, or I would say agenda, is to access or enhance the digitization in India. For that purpose, it is very important to cover all those areas, specifically these four, and in these areas the investment will be made covering equity fund, equity investments, partnerships or other parameters in order to boost up or access any economic reforms. Now in these particular investments, now these are the basically the investments which have been made by the Googles since till now. About 3 crore has been made in 2013 I guess in Sana Venture, and 3 crore in Augusta International, and $45 million in Dunzo, and 39 crores in online education fund. Now the latest investments which was made on June 24th in by the Google is $27 million probably in the series of the Gurugram based company which is A Finance. Now the basic question which arises over here, that why this investment is made now? Is it a curb for the ban of Chinese company, or is it a real purpose to make India a better economy? There can be different parameters which is to be studied. Also, when this investment is made, is it gonna be a big tech outlook on India? Let's figure it out, because Amazon had made an announcement that they will be investing additional $1 billion in India, and for also recently Facebook has made an investment of $5 billion in Reliance Jio, and last month Microsoft venture fund which was M2, and it had announced that it would open an office in India to pursue investment opportunities and focus on P2B software startups. Now what do you think? Is it gonna be a investment hub to allow the foreign countries to make an investment, or is it an answer for the ban of Chinese applications in order to make them realize that this Indian economy can be run without the Chinese applications and other software based tech companies which are from China? So what's your views about this? Do let me know and do put it in comment section. Till then, stay tuned, stay happy. Thank you so much.